Would you believe that you could earn money just by copying and pasting texts? It is one of the most simple and effective methods of earning money online. This is available for everyone all over the world, and there is no selling or affiliate marketing involved, no need for social media followers, and no requirements for previous skills or experience. I know every one of you who is watching this video knows how to copy and paste text. It is probably the easiest thing to do and one of the first things that you can learn when using a computer. Now, in today's video, we will be using that basic skill and turn it into a source of income. You can just copy thousands of texts, and for each text you copy, you can earn money. The best thing about this method that I'll be showing you today is that you can do this over and over again, which means that you can earn money endlessly. And if you stick around until the end of this video, you will have the opportunity to earn significantly more money because I'll be showing you 3 additional websites from which you can earn money. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. I'm here to show you how to use Google to get paid over and over again. And they have different methods of payment. You can have the option to use PayPal, Payoneer, and even bank transfers. This method is not time consuming at all because it will take up less than 30 minutes to do. Anyway, let's begin with the first step, which is to navigate the Google. The second step is to type in the search bar Google News, and I want you to open the first result shown, which is news.google.com. And now here in Google News, you can read up-to-date, comprehensive news coverage compiled from a range of sources all around the world. It actually functions much like a newspaper and provides access to all sorts of information. This website has news on politics, business, entertainment, and even COVID news, to name just a few topics. Now, how this is going to earn you money. On the left-hand side, you can see all the categories, which include world news, local news, which we will not focus on. We have business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. These categories are the ones that we'll be focusing on. For example, if I select the health category, I'll be presented with all of the most recent news and all of the most recent articles relating to health. So let's take a look around and see if we can find anything intriguing here. Now, this article caught my attention, which was just uploaded a short while ago, and it's a pretty good article that I think a lot of people would be interested in reading. So all you have to do is open up the article, and then don't worry, you don't have to write any articles, nor you won't have to require to sell any items as part of this process. This has absolutely nothing to do with affiliate marketing. Simply open your chosen article, highlight it, and copy the content. For example, I will copy this text right here and then move to step number 3, where I will introduce to you Spinbot. Now I want you to open a new tab and type in spinbot.com, and this will then lead you to their homepage. Spinbot automatically rewrites human readable content into more intelligently readable text, and you can input articles that have 10,000 words on it. Spinbot can also be used as a paraphrase tool. Now you will need to paste the copied article that you found on Google News into this box that you see right here. Click the arrow located in the middle of the box, and after that a verification will appear. Just do the process to allow Spinbot to write the article in your own words, making it truly unique. As you can see, the context is essentially the same, yet the words used are different from one another. After using Spinbot, the generated article you have now is going to be used and put on the 3 websites, which I will provide you shortly. Those articles will be paid for by the websites that publish them. Some of them will literally pay you $1 for each word you write for them. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The first website we will be using is eatingwell.com. For more than 30 years, Eating Well has been publishing award-winning journalism about food, nutrition, and sustainability, and has won numerous awards. You can contribute your own articles about health to eatingwell.com and receive compensation for your work. Instead of putting in hours and hours of effort to write those articles, you can simply use Google News and Spinbot to create a unique and high-quality article, for which you will be paid $1 per word, saving you time and money, which means that if you write a 1,000-word post, you can earn $1,000. And it only will take you about 30 minutes to copy and paste this article. Now, how do you actually submit your articles so that you can be paid for your work? You will only need to browse down a little bit further on this website's homepage until you reach this part. Click the Contact Us button, then you will be redirected to this page. You should be able to locate the Writer's Guideline button and should click on it. In this guidelines page, it will show you everything you need to know about how to pitch and write stories for this website. In this case, after reading the guidelines, you will need to fill out the form to submit your article about health by clicking this Fill Out Form button. Because new articles in Google News are posted every few hours, your selections are virtually limitless. The second website that I'll be introducing to you is called SierraClub.org. Sierra Club's goal is to preserve the wild region of the world and to raise awareness and mobilize people to take action to safeguard and restore the natural and inhabited environments. Here you can also submit articles about the environment for publication. It is really simple to post articles to our site if you follow these steps. Now, to submit articles on the website Sierra Club, I want you to type sierraclub.org/Sierra/editorial-guidelines in your Google search tab. Just read the guidelines, and as you scroll further, you will see this Fill Out This Form button, and click on it and complete the form to be able to submit your generated articles about environment that you got from Google News. After which you will be compensated when they approve your written article. The third and last website that I'll be introducing to you is dailyjstore.org. JStore Daily provides content for current events using scholarship found on JStore, a digital library of academic journals, books, and other materials. They write articles that are based on research that have been checked by other people. They also give our readers free access to that research. To submit an article, I want you to scroll down until you reach the end of the web page, and you will see this button, Submission Guidelines. I want you to click on that, and on this page, it will say that they are particularly interested in the following subjects: racial justice and cryptocurrency, racial equality, and utopia, as of which you may search these topics on Google News. Every author on this website receives compensation for their effort. To submit your idea, I want you to click on the Contact the Editors button to fill out the form they provided. Be sure to include your name and, if applicable, your institution's affiliation. You can earn more money by submitting more articles to these websites. Unfortunately, not all articles are going to be accepted. Copying and pasting can earn you hundreds, if not up to $1,000 a day, even if you just get one item every day. The best part is, this is absolutely free of charge, so you don't have to pay to get started with this method. To summarize, you must go to Google and go to Google News to find out information and articles. Choose a category from the left side of the website, choose the article that you want to read, open it, copy the content from it, and use Spinbot to make it unique, and then submit it to the websites that I have just mentioned. You can repeat this process as many times as you want for an endless period of time, earning a respectable sum of money. I hope you found some value in this video, and that's all I have to say about it. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions, and see you in the next video.